Hey guys, I'm back. I'm Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors at Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're going to talk about our Parkside. This is a 36 by 81 Parkside door, right hand insulating with Aquatex glass being displayed today that we're going to talk about. Don't mind the clamps, that's what's holding the door up on the stand. So the Parkside has a kick plate. This is the kick plate at the bottom. Glass doesn't go all the way down. Again, it's got a very ornamental hand-forged ironwork done in the center of it. This is actually, my dad drew this door up sitting at home in front of the dinner table. And I asked him, I gave him a couple blanks. So we basically give my dad a blank door picture. And he just sat there while we're having dinner and drew this up. I'm like, okay, well, that kind of works. And it just worked out. So we call it Parkside. Hey guys, so the Parkside also has an operable clasp. So you just untwist these, flip them over, and you have a operable clasp. I think it's a super cool door. Definitely something that I really like. I feel like a pretty good, tasteful, ornamental iron on it that is not an overkill and it's classy. It's a good word for it. Also, this door does come in a double flat and a double door. And we don't make it an arch door, but if you choose to have it in an arch, we can definitely draw it up for you, see how it looks. See if you like it, you can order that. Hey guys, thank you for watching our Parkside showcase. If you have any questions, call us at 844-843-6677, or you can email us at info@pinkysirondors.com. We'll be here waiting for your phone calls and any questions you guys might have.